What's up guys, Jaguar Gaming 81 here, and today we are going to play Real Racing 3, but just show you the cars I got for level 50. Well, not just level 50, but between the levels 40 and 50. So first we got the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR-X, the cool Audi R8 ALMS Ultra, the Lamborghini Gallardo LP560 GT3, the BMW M3 GT2 ALMS, I got it right then, the Bentley Continental GT Speed, the Ariel Anthem 3.5, oh there you go, finally at last. The Porsche 911 GT3 Cup, the Caterham 7620R, and these are the last two cars, the Bentley Continental SUPERSPORTS, and last but not least, the Mercedes SLS AMG, which is the same car you saw at part 32 when I did the time trial with it. And by the way, I forgot to show you that I've got Legend, which you had to unlock for driver level 50. How cool is that? But anyways, please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. I cannot believe I forgot this car. It's the Audi R8 V10 Coupe, and plus it's fully upgraded. Why did I miss it out? But anyways, just please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Why do I always keep forget?